A bill in the Florida State Senate would provide more money for homeless shelters. The idea is challenge grants to provide money from the state to match the funding raised by local homeless programs. According to those who help the homeless, funding is the most crucial problem.
Because we're always trying to find the next grant and whatever scrap we can get off whatever table we can find. It's hard to do sometimes.
The Arbor House, a safe haven for women, was forced to close 4 months after opening due to funding difficulties. Low funding is also a concern for projected projects. The Gainesville City Commission, along with the Alachua County Coalition for the Homeless and Hungry, have been trying to turn this jail into a homeless shelter since last year. If the challenge grants get passed, it would certainly help with this process. The Helping Hands Clinic has a low budget, even for a nonprofit organization. Volunteers are still able to provide medical and psychiatric services, meals, and a boutique for women to pick out clothes. Brendan Shortley says a state match would help clinic volunteers continue to provide services.
So this funding would come, in the nick of time to help rescue organizations like us that kind of have put themselves out there monetarily and provided so many services. The financial structure support that is not necessarily going to come, and this would be a rescue kind of situation.
The sponsors have not identified a revenue source, but with more state funding, there could be more helping hands. Ashlyn Robinson, WUFT News.